Bitfi Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our Bitfi Wallet Full Review. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. Let's dive straight into the details. The Bitfi Wallet is a next-generation cryptocurrency wallet designed with a strong emphasis on security, simplicity, and accessibility. Marketed as an unhackable hardware wallet, Bitfi offers a unique approach to private key management, making it ideal for both seasoned crypto users and those new to the space. One of Bitfi's standout features is its cloudless key storage system. Instead of storing private keys on the device, Bitfi generates keys on demand using a proprietary algorithm, ensuring they are never saved on the wallet or any server. This eliminates the risk of physical or remote theft. Users simply input their passphrase, which serves as the foundation for generating keys securely. The wallet supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens. Its user interface is straightforward, accessible via touchscreen, and requires minimal technical knowledge to set up and operate. Additionally, Bitfi regularly updates its firmware to support new assets and enhance functionality. Security is Bitfi's primary selling point. With its keyless design, the wallet cannot be compromised even if physically stolen. It also features two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an added layer of security. Unlike traditional wallets, Bitfi removes the complexity of seed phrases, making it a more user-friendly option for those concerned about losing backup keys. Strengths of the Bitfi wallet include its unparalleled focus on security through its innovative design, wide cryptocurrency support, and ease of use. It's particularly suited for users who value both convenience and advanced protection for their digital assets. However, there are some weaknesses. The reliance on a proprietary system might not appeal to those who prefer open-source solutions for transparency. Additionally, the wallet's unique approach to key management may feel unconventional to crypto veterans accustomed to traditional methods. In conclusion, the Bitfi wallet is an excellent choice for users seeking a highly secure, user-friendly hardware wallet. With its keyless design and commitment to innovation, it sets a new standard for crypto security. Check out the links in the description to learn more and see if Bitfi is right for you.